Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need immediate momentum. Pick a niche where readers pay or advertisers spend and register a short domain. Next, install WordPress or Ghost and enable SSL because trust converts. Then create 5 cornerstone posts that solve top problems. These are the posts you'll promote. Once done, schedule an editorial calendar for 8-12 weeks so you publish consistently. This structure gets early traffic and establishes authority fast, so you can test monetization within weeks rather than months. Now scale traffic and signal authority by optimizing each post for search intent and low competition keywords. Pick 1 to 2 target terms and craft useful headings. Simultaneously, add a lead magnet and start collecting emails, because email converts better than social. Then repurpose each article into short video clips, social snippets, and guest posts to expand reach. Make sure to measure which channels drive signups and double down on the top 2. This focused repetition grows steady, monetizable audience. You're ready to monetize. Test 3 streams, affiliate links in relevant posts, a lightweight digital product, and selective ads. Create a value-based pricing ladder, starting with a low-touch offer at $7 to $47 because low friction yields initial buyers. Once you have data, optimize product pages, email funnels, and placement. If conversions are poor, first audit traffic intent and CTA clarity. Wrong intent or weak CTA kills sales. If needed, adjust offers or traffic sources and iterate quickly for better ROI.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.